Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Just looking at this tree. Look at that wood there. Is that not beautiful or what? I'm thinking about hopefully getting some pieces and make some live edge. That's the inside. It was rotted on the inside, and that's par for the course for these oaks. But I've got some nice limbs that I think I can get some lumber out of. I don't know if y'all remember, I showed you a pecan limb that I was thinking about making some boards out of and make a urn for myself. I think I might use the pecan tree for some handles and just kind of leave the bark on the wood for the urn, and make the top walls and the base out of this wood. I like this wood. And this tree, I've played on this tree as a kid. There's one of those God, what do you call those? I can't pronounce that name. You know, tell me how long that thing's been on here, but I've got some good straight pieces I can get some wood out of. So the rest I would go to firewood or live edge stuff. I'll make something. I'm thinking about some of these smaller branches like that one, just cutting like planks out of that. What they'd be disc, and I'd cut them like this, maybe an inch thick, and making a reef out of them, put a little burlap bow on them. This thing, the wood smells good, really. I love the smell of wood. But there's a lot of limbs on the ground. I lost a plum tree. I weren't thinking there's a plum tree up under all that, and it's gone. I say it's gone, it ain't looking good. But I'll start working on this, cutting off all these smaller limbs, having some bonfires, and I'll get to these big ones. It's just gonna be a hard road. And then I've got the other one to go to and finish it up too. I had my breakfast, had some granola bars and some water, and it's lukewarm water. My neighbor, there was a store open, and my van's hemmed in, and I'm having some transmission troubles to boot with all this other stuff I'm going through. But I got him to carry me to the store with him. My other neighbor kind of vanished on me. I asked him, was he going to the store, and he said he'd call me, and that was 2 days ago, so I won't bother him again. And he said he's been out several times, because I talked with him yesterday and asked him what's going. So I've been out several times, but I asked him the day before. So, you know, my other neighbor carried me to the store, and I got 3 drinks. I was jonesing for caffeine and a cold drink. I wanted a cold drink, cold water. And I got it yesterday, thanks to my other neighbor. But it's going to be a cleanup for sure. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.